In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Conversion API for Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, your settings, and your installed apps. When you are inside the admin panel, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct store before you continue. It is best to follow along carefully here because the next actions are happening in the app area. Next, go to the Apps section. You can usually find this through the left side menu or through a navigation area inside the admin. The goal of this step is to reach the place where you can browse and install Shopify applications. Since we are setting up Conversion API, we will be installing a tracking app that supports this feature. Once you locate the apps area, open it and wait for the page to fully load, so you can see all available options. After that, go to Apps and then use the search function to find the app you need. In these instructions, the app name is Trackify, so click into the search bar and type Trackify. This step matters because it saves time and ensures you install the correct integration. When you type, watch for results to appear. Make sure you see the Trackify option in the list that matches what you are trying to install for your Shopify setup. Once you find Trackify, select it from the search results. Take a quick second to confirm that you are opening the correct app page. You should see information about the app and what it offers, such as tracking and conversion features. This confirmation step is helpful because sometimes multiple similar apps can show up in search. When you have the correct Trackify page open, you are ready to install. Now click Install. This is the button that starts the Shopify installation process for Trackify. You may see a loading screen or a prompt while Shopify prepares the app for your store. Pay attention to the confirmation messages on screen, because these messages are how Shopify explains what the app is asking for. You do not need to change anything you do not understand during this step, but you should be aware that the installation may request access related to store data so it can track conversions properly. After you click Install, allow the process to complete. This can take a short moment depending on your connection speed and Shopify response time. During the install, you might see a progress indicator. It is important not to navigate away while Shopify is finishing the setup. Once installation completes, you will usually be redirected back into your admin area, or you will land on a page where the app is ready to use. At this point, Trackify should be installed on your Shopify store. Since your goal is Conversion API setup, the install step is the foundation that enables the next configuration. The reason this installation step is so important is that it installs the integration that will connect your Shopify events to the tracking system. Without installing the correct app, you will not be able to complete the Conversion API workflow properly. Finally, once you see that the app is installed, you can proceed to any follow-up setup steps in Trackify as needed in your workflow. However, based strictly on the instructions provided, the main sequence you need to complete is opening Shopify admin, navigating to apps, searching for Trackify, and installing it. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.